please, my lord. We are indebted to the court for the indulgence. We did listen to the recording. The missing part, which was not transcribed, is indeed there on the recording. If one looks at the tab record, page 74, it ends at about line 15. Now, I'm sorry, my lord.
You're saying if I look at page 74?
Yeah, page 74. The record ends at about line 16.
Okay.
Now, from 14:30, 2:30, up until 15:24,
Yeah.
that whole recording, my lord, hasn't been transcribed, and that is what is missing.
Yeah.
Now, the question is, what do we do? We suggest that the state and the defense suggest that an urgent request be made for transcription of this missing part overnight, and the registrar has already taken steps to request that. Hopefully we will get the transcripts tomorrow, and they'll be distributed to all the parties, including the witness. And in our estimation, everybody should be ready to proceed on Wednesday. We know, my lord,
Who is the transcriber?
that we losing court time. It's written Gauteng
So how many
transcribers.
pages of evidence are missing, or minutes?
It's the whole afternoon, my lord. From, as I say, from 14.
So that,
30.
yeah, fine. But that evidence is from which time?
14:30
14:30 to
until 15:24.
15:24.
Yes.
On which day?
When the court adjourned, on the 30th of August, 2023.
Right. Colonel Genya started testifying on which date?
He started to testify on that same date, the 30th of August, 2023.
Until? Yeah, I see.
Basically, up until the
I see the 30th
the same day. What happened the next day, the 31st, were just merely procedural issues. But his evidence starts on the 30th and concludes on the very same day.
So it's one day.
Yes.
Who is the transcriber, the company that transcribes?
Well, I see in the transcript it says Gauteng transcribers.
Have you spoken to them?
The registrar has. We haven't personally spoken to them.
Yeah,
but
unless this person comes here in court, we must continue. He must come here so that I make an order that he must transcribe this thing. I know what's going to happen tomorrow. Hey, the machine, hey, the stuff, hey.
Perhaps if the registrar can be of assistance.
How do you get your management to come to court? Who's in charge?
From my section is
Yeah. Hello?
From my section is Mbali Mashang.
Where is she or he?
Zone B, so someone is playing.
You see, I told you. Now that person who's on leave, she can't give orders when she's out of the office.
No, there is someone who's doing that.
Who is that?
Martin.
Will she be able to give orders that the record must be typed?
The judge's registrar sends out the letter.
No. She must be in court. Where are your offices? Where?
Fourth floor.
Here? Yeah, let her come here. Please. Tell her that the court is waiting on her. Won't adjourn. So when you play the recording, does it sound?
The sound is audible, my lord.
It's audible.
Yeah, except for Colonel Mangena, it's a bit soft, but you can hear. Yes.
Now you say it wasn't typed. Although it was,
Yes, for some inexplicable reason, it wasn't typed, and this it's a very rare occurrence. I think no one foresaw that there could be this big chunk that hasn't been transcribed.
yeah. Has it ever happened to you, Kenneth, that you come to court and then there are problems with the recordings?
No, my lord, it's for the first time.
First time?
for the first
After how many years?
30 years.
Okay. Means the first time after 50 years. First time.
It just shows the rarity of, the problem that crept up. Normally, it's just portions that are inaudible, but not portions that
No,
have been...
it's the whole evidence you're telling me. Mr. Badu, you're saying it's the whole evidence.
Not the whole evidence, my lord, but it's...
On the 30th of August.
Yes, I think it's most of the evidence after the long adjournment, say 1420. It's almost just under an hour's evidence, my lord, that hasn't been
Yeah.
transcribed.
Who do I speak to? Mr. Balui, can you enunciate what the problem is so that she understands you?
Yes. Afternoon, ma'am. I'm Baloi for the state, and these are my colleagues for the defense. There was an unusual occurrence in this matter. On the 30th of August 2023, the proceedings were transcribed up to page 74. But from 1430, on the same day, from 1430 until 1524, the proceedings haven't been transcribed. But on the recording, the proceedings are there. Yes, so the proceedings are there, but have not been transcribed. Yes.
I heard that.
Yes. Yes.
Usually what I'm doing is I'm coming in the morning, I take the audio from the machine, I send it to the transcriber. They have to type from the beginning to the end. So usually I don't receive it back. My supervisor receives it and she emails it to the judge's secretary and she emails it to Nata at criminal session. So if something is missing, I won't know. I only collect the audio and send it.
Yes.
The receiving stuff, I don't receive. And if somebody let me know, like the transcribers, tell me, okay, there's 15 minutes missing, then I will come back to the school and I will find that 15 minutes. But we sent this out on the 6th of September last year. And since then, nobody informed me there is something missing from that session.
What we're trying to do now, there's water under the bridge. What we want to find out is, can now this missing part be transcribed overnight so that we get the record tomorrow morning?
Yes.
This is what we
Yes.
want you to assist with. Yes.
Usually what happens, if the recording is more than 3 hours, we can't do it on the other night. But this was after lunch.
Yes.
So the missing portion is about, I don't know how long.
Yeah, it's about, to be precise, it's just under an hour, 6 minutes short of an hour.
Yes.
So it's about 54 minutes.
Yes, that we can think on the other night. Then I can do it today and tomorrow morning judge and the secretary will have the transcription.
Thanks. So you are going to be in charge of this operation,
Yes, Judge.
and you're assuring the court that you will be responsible for all the arrangements with the transcribers. We don't have to talk to the transcribers. You will do that. Hello?
Yes, I will.
And you will tell them that it's in terms of a court order. Who is the chief transcriber there, or the manager? Who you must speak to? Who must you speak to for this to be actualized? Who must you speak to?
To Stephanie.
She is who?
Stephanie.
What's her full name?
I only know her as Stephanie.
Stephanie.
Yes. I can.
Yeah, please phone her now if you can.
Hi, Stephanie, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Listen, Stephanie, we are sitting with a problem here. I'm standing in court with Judge Mokgoatlheng now, and apparently the record wasn't completely typed after 30th of August 2023. We sent it out, yes, 30th of August 2023. The J33 number is 995. No, it's D995 392. Yes, we sent it on the 6th of September last year. CC 67 of 20, Sabia's case. Apparently there's 40, yes, the 30th of August 2023. Apparently there's 45 minutes missing. what last time do you have there? (15:24). And that is where it says court adjourned until the next day. But apparently, according to the state advocate, there is a piece of 45 minutes missing.
54.
54 minutes, you
It's
said.
actually 54 minutes from 14:30.
Sorry, can I interfere? Can you maybe advise the lady to type the whole record of the 30th?
Again.
Yeah, again, the whole record of the 30th.
Okay. The judge ordered now that
Jesus.
the whole record must be typed again from the 30th of August 2023.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, we were worried that
No, I'm going to send you new audio today with a new J53. And that is going to be overnight, Stephanie. The judge don't mind. Yes, but the judge wanted tomorrow. I'm standing in court with judge now, and he ordered. I'm going to put you on speakerphone so that you can tell it to the judge.
What is she saying?
Okay, can you repeat it? Repeat it, please.
I'm here.
Okay, tell to the judge what you are saying to me.
Yes, an overnight, we normally cut off the overnight duration at 3 hours because of time. Because 1 hour takes the typist 4 hours to transcribe. The audio that I'm looking at for Sabia is 4 hours, 2 minutes. If you are saying there's an additional 45 minutes, that means this case is going to be 5 hours long. On an overnight, 5 hours is not doable.
It's a day's evidence. Is that not so?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
I say it's a day's evidence. Een dag. You can't do it
Yes,
overnight.
but that's the problem, because if I'm looking at the duration, because now you're saying we have to retype the entire audio.
I never said
So
that.
if
I
David's
said that,
saying
just
that-
listen. 1 day of the 30th of August. Not the whole record. Only 1 day. 30th of August.
Yes.
You can't type that.
Yes. What I'm saying is, from the audio I've got, it is 4 hours, 2 minutes, just for that 1 day. Now, Debbie is saying there's an additional 45 minutes that's missing. So if I must include that 45 minutes to the 4 hours audio, that puts the audio at 4 hours, 45 minutes. So if you round it off, it's 5 hours. That on an overnight is not doable.
yes,
Stephanie, the 4 hours includes the missing 45 minutes.
it's actually 50.
Okay, because, yes, because that didn't say. You see, I thought it's new audio.
I'm going to send you the 45 minutes today.
Is it 54 minutes or 45?
54.
Yeah, send me the audio, yeah?
Yes.
And then you can do that audio on an overnight.
Yes, and then I'm going to send it to Nata and Mbali.
Yes, and to the judge.
Okay, I don't have judge's email, so that, I don't.
My email-
It goes to Mbali and to Nata.
My email is heaven.com. Hello, are you listening?
Yes, what is it?
My email is heaven.com. How does that sound? Don't you have to send it to the registrar here?
No, I don't send it to the registrar.
Because if we
I'm
send
not
it to
allowed
Mr. Baloyi, they will say evidence is being cooked.
So mine goes to Mbali.
Who's
and
Mbali?
then
Wait. Who is Mbali? Who is Mbali? You.
My
She's the
supervisor.
chief administrator.
Where is she? Where is she?
She's on leave.
She's on leave. Tell her she's on leave.
I don't think that she's
If you don't send it to Mbali, who do you send it to? Jesus.
to Nata.
To Mbali and Nata.
Where's Nata?
Nata's on the second floor.
Let's say, come. Jesus.
Nata.
Yeah, just wait. Nata, we're calling Nata.
No?
She was. God.
She can send it to because I'm acting on behalf of Ms. Mahlangu. She can send it to me.
You, miss. Tell her you are acting. Does she know that you are acting on behalf of Mahlangu? She was.
Hi, Emily.
Hello?
Yeah, you can send it to me. Emily.
Okay, but are you going to read your email? Because remember last time you were saying you never got cases and I was sending all the cases to
Can
you.
you please send it to me?
Hey.
Okay, alright, that's fine. I can do that for you.
What time will you send it? I want to know. So that I must also phone when I'm at home. What time? What time? And she must give
Overnight, we have until 9 o'clock to submit.
9
So
o'clock.
it's going to be, yes.
Okay, just wait. Mr. Mnisi, just give this lady your number. So that you must check with her at 9 p.m.
9, yes.
9 p.m. And also give it to Miss Mshololo. And also Miss...
It's going to be 9 a.m.
oh, 9 a.m. Where do you get the a.m. now? Tomorrow morning?
Yes, and overnight is overnight by the next day. So it's 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.
It will be ready 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Yes,
Are you sure, sir? Ma'am?
yes.
Okay, so they'll check on you at 9 a.m. We shall all be on speakers listening.
Yes, no problem.
There's no arithmetic about payments. The payment will do this and that and that and that. Hello?
Hi.
What about the payment? There's no problem.
Payments don't work like that. We send an invoice and it
Okay.
gets paid like on a monthly.
So you'll send an invoice
Yes, so you will get the transcript with the invoice.
at 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, fine, thanks. I thought I was a judge. So yes, I'm a secretary, I'm a transcriber.
But maybe
Hey.
before she go, our suggestion, my lord, is that we confine ourselves to the missing part. If they have to transcribe the whole proceedings on the 30th of August, that might take a bit of time.
But I try to say only
Yes.
on the 30th.
Just the 54 minutes.
Yeah, we said 54 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. Colonel Mangani, I'm sorry about this.
No problem, Judge.
Hey. So we shall adjourn because of those reasons. That we don't have
Yes. If it
completed.
carries the court's approval, can we then resume on Wednesday?
Why Wednesday?
Just to give everyone the opportunity
No,
to
tomorrow.
go through the record.
No. Tomorrow. Because on Wednesday there will be something else, I can tell you now.
Okay.
So we postpone until tomorrow. Okay. Not Wednesday. Right, the court will adjourn.